Every great puree starts with a blender that delivers smooth, consistent results without extra effort. Best Blender for Puree options combine powerful motors, sharp blades, and precise speed control to transform fruits, vegetables, soups, and sauces into silky textures. In this guide, we've selected the top models that stand out for blending performance, ease of use, durability, and overall value. And product link in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Fresco Immersion Handheld Blender. The Immersion 500-watt blender is a powerful handheld appliance that delivers impressive blending performance for preparing purees, soups, smoothies, sauces, and other everyday recipes. Its efficient 500-watt pure copper motor provides dependable power, while the 4 sharp stainless steel blades quickly process fruits, vegetables, and other ingredients into smooth, consistent textures. The anti-splash blade guard helps reduce mess during operation, making it easier to blend directly in pots, bowls, or containers without worrying about splatters. With 12 adjustable speed settings and an additional turbo mode, this immersion blender gives you excellent control over blending intensity. The ergonomic one-handed speed control and non-slip rubber handle provide a comfortable grip, making extended blending sessions easier and more stable. Its slim, compact design also makes storage simple, fitting easily into kitchen drawers or cabinets without taking up valuable space.
Number 4. Bonson Kitchen Hand Blender. The Bonson Kitchen
Electric blender is a versatile immersion blender designed for quick everyday blending tasks while taking up very little kitchen space. Powered by a 300-watt high-speed motor and equipped with 4 sharp stainless steel blades, it easily prepares smooth purees, creamy soups, sauces, marinades, smoothies, and fresh juices. The 2 adjustable speed settings provide enough flexibility to handle both soft and moderately firm ingredients, allowing you to control the consistency of your recipes with ease. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable, secure grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended use, making meal preparation more enjoyable. The detachable blending shaft is simple to attach and remove, making storage and cleaning much easier than with many traditional countertop blenders. Number 3. Proctor Silex Durable Electric Vegetable Chopper. Proctor Silex Blender is a compact yet highly capable appliance designed for small, everyday food preparation tasks. Its 1.5 cup capacity makes it perfect for preparing fresh purees, baby food, homemade salsa, sauces, and finely chopped vegetables without taking up valuable counter space. Although smaller than a traditional countertop blender, it features durable stainless steel blades that efficiently process ingredients ranging from onions and garlic to carrots, herbs, and nuts. The simple pulse control allows you to customize food texture with ease, whether you need a silky smooth vegetable puree or a chunkier consistency for dips and salsas. Its compact design makes it especially useful for individuals, couples, or anyone preparing smaller portions instead of large family-sized batches.
Number 2.
Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender. The HAM 40-ounce blender is a practical and budget-friendly option for everyday blending tasks, especially for making purees, smoothies, frozen drinks, and protein shakes. Equipped with 700 watts of peak power and durable stainless steel ice saber blades, it provides enough strength to crush ice and blend fruits and vegetables into smooth, consistent results. One of its standout features is the patented wave action system, which continuously forces ingredients down toward the blades instead of allowing them to stick to the sides. This circulation creates a more even blend with fewer chunks, making it especially useful for creamy vegetable purees and homemade soups. The 40-ounce glass jar offers a generous capacity while resisting stains and odors better than many plastic containers. Number 1. Vitamix 5200 Blender. Vitamix 64-ounce blender is an outstanding choice for anyone who wants consistently smooth purees, soups, smoothies, and sauces with professional-level performance. Powered by a robust 2 HP motor, it effortlessly processes tough ingredients such as frozen fruit, fibrous vegetables, nuts, and ice without leaving unwanted chunks behind. The 64-ounce BPA-free container is large enough to prepare meals for the whole family while creating the signature Vitamix vortex that continuously pulls ingredients toward the blades for even blending. Its laser-cut stainless steel blades are built for durability and long-lasting performance, making the blender a dependable kitchen companion for years. With 10 variable speed settings and a dedicated high-speed option, you can easily adjust the texture from silky smooth purees to chunkier recipes. Final verdict. Choosing the right blender ultimately depends on your cooking style, kitchen space, and the types of recipes you prepare most often. Every model on this list has its strengths, but two stand out for delivering smooth, consistent purees while offering excellent value and everyday convenience. If you want the best overall performance and more blending power, Vitamix 5200 blender is our top recommendation. Thanks to its powerful motor, 12-speed control, turbo mode, and comfortable ergonomic design. For a more affordable and compact option that still produces smooth purees,
Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender is an excellent choice with reliable performance.
simple operation, and easy cleaning. Check the link in the description for current details and other options.